Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sell AXS ticket on SeatGeek. Actually, you can't directly sell AXS tickets on SeatGeeks. AXS doesn't allow you to sell the ticket that you have purchased from their website to sell that ticket on any other platform like SeatGeek or any other platform that available in market. So you can transfer the ticket to other platform. You can only do that. The ticket that you have purchased from AXS, you can sell that ticket on the AXS platform, and then you can purchase a new ticket in SeatGeek with that fund and put that in sell in your SeatGeek account. That's the only way that you can use your AXS ticket indirectly to get a ticket on sale in SeatGeek. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.